Hello, fellow vintage lovers. Welcome to a short haul video. Yeah, I said short. I'm trying to master shorter videos. I have been trying to edit a shop along and I accidentally deleted two shop alongs. So I thought, you know what? I'm just going to go ahead and post a haul. And that's kind of what happened with yesterday's haul. I had actually filmed inside the estate sale for a few minutes. It wasn't a long video. And I also filmed when I got in the car and I was talking about what was happening at the estate sale. And when I was trying to edit, I accidentally deleted it and a couple of shop alongs that included these items. So this is what I have left. And I'm still excited to show you this haul. I just hoped to have the shop alongs with it. Some of these items are from estate sales. Most of them, though, are from Goodwill and a garage sale. So I can't quite remember exactly what I got where, but I'm going to try. Okay, so this collection of little golden books, first of all, they are in excellent condition. They are all first editions with the exception of two, I believe. Some of them are from 1940 through the 80s. I believe this one, Toodles, from 1943. I actually picked up two Toodles. One was the original, this one, and then I picked up one for 1974. But I'm not going to spend the time, going through each book. I'm just going to try to do a quick haul, and let's see how that goes. As usual, if you see anything you're interested in while watching this video, you can always reach out to me, calypsoantiques@gmail.com. You can DM me on Insta, calypso_antiques, or you can leave a comment here. We can chat. But I'm done with the books, so I'm going to try to go as fast as I can. I'm not used to this. I usually like to spend time on items. So this, I don't believe this is vintage. It's a modern piece. It's really pretty. It's just like a beautiful design with this zebra. It's like a tray, maybe a trinket dish or something you would use for display. I did get that at a garage sale. I just thought it was really pretty, so I had to get it. Okay, this beautiful Amberina compote is amazing. It does have cadmium, so it does light up. I do not have my black light with me right now, so I'm not going to be able to show it. It will be in a live sale probably pretty soon, maybe even tomorrow or the next live sale that Gina and I have. This is in excellent condition. There are no chips or scratches anywhere on it. It's fantastic. And the glow is amazing. Okay, I also picked up this. We are doing a Christmas in July sale, and this is just a Japanese angel. She's singing. She's singing a hymn. She's in really good shape. She is bisque. And she's adorable. I keep, whenever I see vintage Christmas, I do pick it up for our sale. And I have to admit, I'm starting to want my own vintage Christmas items, so help me. It's going to be crazy if I'm collecting that too, but I kind of want to. Okay, so whenever I see postcards or any ephemera that I think is interesting, I do pick it up. I picked these up at a garage sale, and I had a long talk with the person that was having the sale. These had belonged to her grandmother, and her grandmother was a teacher, but she taught at military bases, American military bases all over the world. And she bought postcards everywhere she went. And so I picked up a few of these. I thought they were really cool. I do have a degree in history, and classics was my minor. So all of these awesome postcards of Greece really caught my attention. Some of them are a little stuck together. Trying not to spend too much time. I really do want to start. Well, those are totally stuck together. I can definitely get that fixed. Little hairdryer should fix it. Look at that. Anyway, I'm hoping to start junk journaling myself. So if nobody's interested in all the Grecian ones, I might have to keep them for myself. Okay, so a lot of you collect religious iconography. Lord, I can't talk. And I thought this was really cool. This is St. Nicholas. I don't think it has a year. It does not. Nope, no year. Okay, I thought this one was really cool. all that's written on here by the person that traveled there is France. Great picture. I thought this one was really cool. This is obviously Central America, Ecuador. And these are all the Pied Piper. There's a series of them. I think these would look really cool framed. I just love those. And here's another Grecian one. This is Emperor Hadrian. This is Roman. Okay, so I've got those. And I also picked up this jam jar. Now, guys, I'm telling you, clear glass is coming back, and it's going to get expensive soon. I thought this was absolutely lovely. There was a spoon with it, but I do not believe it was the original spoon. It was plastic, so I did not include it in this haul. Okay, guys, these. I picked up 2 mid-century modern bookends, and they are leather with this beautiful brass horse detailing. Just unbelievable. Let me go back over here. Here is the other one. The other one has a little bit of wear on the top, but you're not going to see it if you're using it as a bookend. But look at that. It's just absolutely fabulous. Okay, so I got those at an estate sale. Now this shell I got at a garage sale. And I was hoping that we could use it in our aquarium. Well, we have 2 aquariums. But unfortunately, because we don't know the history of the shell, we can't put it in the aquarium because we have some very sensitive puffer fish. So that may be for sale. I don't know if anyone is interested, but you know, I keep finding these shells. Okay, now this is really cool. This is Asian, and I need to do a little bit more research, but this is just, it's like a design, and it's made to look like jade and coral. I do believe it's plastic, but I'm not sure. It does look a little bit dusty. I do need to clean that off. But I thought it was really cool, and I love the hanger. I do not know how old these are. I want to say they're probably mid-century, but I don't know. Further research is required. Okay, so I also picked up this little squirrel because he was absolutely adorable. I think this was an estate sale, and I believe he's pewter. He's definitely heavy. I also picked up this toucan because I thought it was cool. He is resin, I believe, but he's really pretty, and he's in great shape. Okay, so this brooch. This brooch is absolutely beautiful. This is sterling silver, and it is in its original box. It is so pretty, guys. The detailing is just stunning. I don't think it's ever been removed from here. So when I offer it in a live sale, I probably will keep it this way unless somebody asks me to take it out, because I think it looks cool the way it is. And if someone buys it, they may want it to be pristine the way it is, but it's definitely vintage. You can tell by the box. Just unbelievable. Okay, this, speaking of unbelievable, this is Frankoma, and this is an ashtray. It is a road runner, and I thought this was so cool. You know, any animal I'm going to pick up if I think it's cool. This obviously, well, I don't think it was ever used as an ashtray. I think it was probably just a display piece. Being from Texas, I had to get that road runner. Okay, so this was a Goodwill find. I can't believe I found this at Goodwill. This is hand painted, and it is in excellent shape. And guess what, guys? It is Limoges. I did comp it. Of course, now I can't remember, but it's worth quite a bit. It's in really good shape. It's just so beautiful. Look at it. So much detail and so much work went into making that egg. Okay, guys, I did it. I did my first short haul video. Let me know what you think. If you prefer my longer videos where I go over each item in detail, let me know. If you'd rather just see the items like this, that's cool too. I'm just trying something new today. Okay, well, thanks as usual for all of your support. I would not be doing this if it wasn't for all the wonderful people I have met in this community. So I want to thank everybody. And if you have time, leave a comment. Of course, share with your friends and like the video. And I hope everyone has a wonderful rest of your day. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.